Hello everyone, this is the PassFab channel. After turning on the computer, type in the password to enter the desktop. It was found that the screen showed a black screen and only the mouse showed up. No operation can be performed in the black screen state. How to fix the above problem? This video will show you how to fix Windows 10 black screen with cursor. Method 1. Using startup settings. First, you need to restart your computer. Press the power button to shut down the computer. Then press again to open the computer. At the login screen, press the Shift button and select Restart. This will open the advanced startup options. Select Troubleshoot. Startup Settings. Click Restart. Under Startup Settings, select Enable Safe Mode with Networking. OK, type in the password to enter Safe Mode. In Safe Mode, select Remove Recently Installed Updates or Update System Drivers. Right-click to start. Select System. On the Settings page, select Update and Security. Click to view update history. Select Uninstall Updates. Here you can choose to uninstall the most recent Windows update, or search for the appropriate hardware driver in the browser to download and install. After removing updates, press Alt F4 to open shutdown Windows. Select Restart. Click OK. Wait for Windows to boot normally. Method 2. Using PassFab FixUWin. Click the link in the description to get PassFab FixUWin. Launch PassFab FixUWin. Click Create Boot Disk now. Select Windows 10 System. Insert an empty USB. Click Next and Continue. Click to view detailed tutorials to avoid subsequent operation errors. Now, insert the boot disk into your Windows 10 computer. Press the power button. Press F12 to enter the boot menu. Select USB to boot. OK, in the PassFab FixUWin screen, select Automated Repair. Select the system disk and click Start Repair. OK, automatic repair completed. Let's click Restart. Check if the Windows 10 repair was successful. Well, this is about how to fix the Windows 10 black screen with cursor. Click the link in the description to get PassFab FixUWin. If you have any questions during the process, please leave them in the comment section below. We will respond positively to your message and help you solve the problem. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.